Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Valtares and you are in G-Tech Knowledge channel. This channel I'm publishing the clips of the G-Tech Live that you can participate with me clicking on the link on the description. Click on this link, go there and participate with me during the live I made every Thursday, okay? So today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra gets the best smartphone award at Glomo 2021. So, after a year of absence, the Global Mobile GLOMO Awards at the Mobile World Congress are back. There was no MWC last year. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was voted the best smartphone of the past year by the jury, which had this to say about the phone. The best Android smartphone Samsung has ever made with a great range of features, stunning AMOLED display, best-in-class cameras, and more. This phone delivers across the board and is a worth winner of Best Smartphones in 2021. Samsung was the only company to get two phones onto the shortlist of nominees for 2021. The second model was the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. The shortlist also includes the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the OnePlus 9 Pro, and the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Here are the key considerations that jury focused on when selecting the winner: physical design and innovation, device performance and form factors, genuine new innovations developed AG in form factor technology features, product usefulness in terms of functionality and features, price point and perceived value for money, commercial success in global territories, user experience, quality and reliability, environmental and sustainability credentials, ongoing commitment on support AG software's upgrades. It's kind of political things, but we can see that is not an iPhone the best smartphone of the year. But iPhone doesn't care about that because they don't need to be the best smartphone of the year. They just need to be the expensive smartphone of the world. And that's why they don't care of approving a lot of things they should approve as well. AMOLED screen. I would like to have an iPhone with a good AMOLED screen and a high quality of screen. I would like to have a smartphone without notch, without the huge thing on the top of the smartphone. But here we are talking about Samsung. Samsung made the best smartphone of 2021, but 2021 isn't end. So we are on July. July is the first day of July. We have more 6 months into the end of the year, and they already decided who is the best smartphone of the year. But there are a lot of good smartphones that are coming to launch this year, and I think this was fair. This was fair to choose S21, counting about other smartphones were competing. But I would like this championship, this prize was made or delivered in December because we don't have enough time to test all of this smartphone. We don't have time to launch all of the smartphone we'll launch this year, and we'll have a lot of smartphones this year into December. We will not have the chance of earning the prize. So that's what I think. I think it was deserved to S21 Ultra receive this prize, but I would like to have more smartphone competing and waiting to into December to make this competition. And I think they could make the second. I don't know if they do that because I was not invited to go there because of the pandemic. And if it does have pandemic, I will not be invited. But I think they could do another category of smartphone. The top, the flagships, and the average smartphones. Because Redmi 9 in Brazil, man, whoa, in Brazil, everyone would like to have a Redmi 9 because Redmi 9 is cheaper, Redmi 9 is good, Redmi 9 has the best intermediary smartphone, the best chipset for average smartphone. I think Redmi 9 should be earned the best, cheapest smartphone of the year, the best, well built smartphone for cheapest people. Okay, and I would like to have another category to almost flagship smartphone like S20 FE. As Galaxy S20 FE is one of the best smartphone uh, in this world because it's cheaper. It's not that cheaper like Redmi 9, but it's almost there, and you can have almost everything you have on a flagship smartphone. That's what I think. If you want to have this conversation with me, if you want to participate with me during this live, you can click on the link on the description and go to the GTech Live channel where I stream this live every Thursday. Go there and participate with me during the live, chat with me, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the dislike button if you don't like what I'm talking about. So that's it. Let's go to the next clip. Bye bye.